Well, obviously, even though we have taken away some of the hardware that we were selling up front with the traditional system, it is paid back in dividends in the RMR. We also have cut down on truck rolls where we were running all over a metropolitan area, making changes, configuring users, things that for whatever reason maybe we were unable to do in our remote software that required a truck roll. So now those truck rolls are essentially gone. Perception is probably a large part of it. My customer's perception now is equipment gets put in, they have very little issues. If they do have an issue, they text or email me within minutes, it's fixed, the user's added, the user's taken away. Where before it would have been the next day because obviously we would have had to roll onto the site and work on it and then report back to the customer. So the customer perception is things happen very quickly. When they want something, it's done. It's out in the cloud, it got changed, and that keeps them coming back. As a small business, especially as we've just experienced a pandemic, we were very fortunate to have a large amount of RMR coming in, whereas 2 years before that would not have been there. So that played a key role. And with the quality of everything that we're putting in, we're not having to go back and replace items. It's great.